every time I travel back to campus, I feel like I'm going home. And that is what I like most about Murray State University as an alumnus. The second thing is, in a close second, is every March when there's a basketball tournament called March Madness. And Murray State's been lucky enough to play in that tournament many times. It's always fun to see a special place that you care so deeply about on the national stage.
We're not happy just to get there, we're going to win.
Murray State is a place where I came a boy and I left as a man. I have many memories and great friendships that I've made along the way that I still continue to keep in touch with today.
When I was a student here, it was service with a smile. Everyone was so warm and friendly and just made it a welcome place for students to enjoy.
Murray State, it's where I really grew up and found myself. I think that's what college affords any high school graduate. There's just a vibrancy on this campus that I really benefited from, and I'm really grateful for it.
For over 100 years, as challenges arise and change is constant, one thing at Murray State has remained: the power of being bold. Boldness is more than just an action. It's a willingness to take risks, to innovate, create, and lead through an unwavering belief in possibility.
It's an honor for me to serve on the Capital Campaign Council because it's a perfect way for me to give back after receiving years and years of benefit from going to Murray State University.
It's important to get out the word and get to as many locations around the country and around the world to get people to remember, what their experience was at Murray and be able to give back.
So for me, when they asked me to be a part of this campaign, I felt like even though I no longer live here in this community, so many of my family and friends do, and I want to be able to give incoming students the same kind of opportunities and exposure to the world that I got while I was here.
All universities are going through enormous change, whether the academic side of the university, but also on the athletic side of universities. Higher education is going through a tremendous change, and to be asked to come alongside and help raise much needed funds to invest back into the finest place we know, Murray State University, is truly an honor.
The Be Bold, Forever Blue and Gold Centennial Campaign set out in 2018 to reach $100 million of support for the university, $50 million directed toward student access and support, with another $50 million supporting academic excellence and the strategic modernization of campus facilities, including support for racer athletics.
Murray State University is dedicated to providing comprehensive access and support to its students, ensuring their success both academically and personally. Over 40% of Murray State students are first-generation students, and with your support, we can help them on their journey to graduation and beyond.
Thank you to all of our supporters to the campaign. Since 2018, over $90 million has been raised for Murray State.
With support to obtain advanced resources, we can push our students to learn, grow, and create solutions for a better world.
Because of scholarships, I'm able to dream big and pursue my passion so I can make a difference.
Alumni and friends should give back to Murray now because it's important as it has ever been to support the university. We need to create opportunities for students to excel.
Well, it's important for always to look forward and pay forward. When someone is lucky enough to come here and go to school, then you need to think about how you can help others in the future.
There's no better time to act than now. No matter how big the gift or small the gift, what's important is every single one of us have the opportunity to come alongside and help support a university that is the finest place we know, Murray State University.
Now more than ever, we need your support to continue this mission. From the time students begin their racer journey, through the first-class education they receive and the racer traditions like no other, Murray State works diligently to set students up for success and strives to lay an everlasting foundation of boldness. We ask that you support our commitment to our current and future racers as they take risks to innovate, create, and lead. Let's come together and give to Be Bold, Forever Blue and Gold.